during 10,000 BC where the humans were living in cave. And they learned to cook the food using fire. Shortly after, they learned to grow the plants using seed from fruits, which attract many people, and they form groups for farming. This is where civilization began to grow. Then they turned the wetlands to agriculture land to provide the food for many. And humans started inventing tools like sickle, and they even invented grinding. After several years, humans started travel worlds using boat, and they met other humans, and they exchanged the seeds. Using different seeds, they cultivated variety of crop like carrot, cabbage and rice throughout the different season. For crop rotation, they used single plow. Then the industrial evolution is paved the major development in agriculture, where tractors also invented for crop rotation was simplified. Due to increases in production of variety of crop, major crops were exported and also imported. Then scientists developed genetically modified seeds to produce huge quantity of fruits and vegetables. Greenhouse methods, sustainable electricity was also used, and drone was used for spraying fertilizers and also for monetization.